Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to add WooCommerce product in list layout using plugin in Elementor WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Elementor page. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write JetWidgets for Elementor and WooCommerce. So this is plugin we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation go to page and refresh the page. So we are in Elementor page. On left side you see search widget. So right here Woo product list. So this is our widget we will use. So drag and drop here. So you can add this widget in any page, home page, according to your requirement. Now widget edit. Now you see layout. On left side you see content style advanced. In general layout you see image left, image right, top. So you can do setting according to your requirement. And then you see product number, make it 6. And then you see query product by all. You see feature product, sale product, tag, category. And then you see order by. And then you see show product title enabled, words count 10. And then you see multiple option. So you can enable or disable category, price, rating, cart button according to your requirement. Now scroll up, you see style, so click on it, and then you see vertical alignment center, and then you see space between item, border radius, product thumbnail, you see content. Now you see alignment left. So it's up to you. Now you see title, category. So you can do setting according to your requirement and then click on update. Now update done, go to Elementor page and refresh the page. Now scroll down and then you see product in list layout in Elementor WordPress using plugin. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.